Is your Rheem AC outdoor unit humming but not starting? This common issue usually points to an electrical or mechanical problem preventing the compressor from engaging. The primary culprits are the capacitor, contactor, compressor motor, and power supply. The capacitor provides the initial torque to start the motor, and if it's failing, often due to age or overheating, the motor will hum but won't spin. A faulty contactor, an electromagnetic switch, can also cause humming if it's stuck or burned, preventing the circuit from completing. Issues with the compressor motor itself, such as a locked rotor or winding problems, or an inadequate power supply, low voltage, or phase imbalances, can also lead to this symptom. Issues with the compressor motor itself, such as a locked rotor or winding problems, or an inadequate power supply, low voltage, or phase imbalances, can also lead to this symptom. Remember to always disconnect power and wear PPE before inspecting any components, as capacitors can hold lethal charges. Before troubleshooting, prioritize safety. Always disconnect power from the Rheem AC unit before inspecting any components, as capacitors can hold lethal electrical charges. To diagnose, use a multimeter to check the capacitor's continuity. It should read between 5 to 50 ohms initially, then show infinite resistance. Inspect the contactor for burned contacts. Test its coil resistance, which should typically be between 20 to 50 ohms. Visually inspect for bulging capacitors. Replace faulty capacitors or contactors with OEM parts. Rheem part numbers vary by model, for example, 6103000 for RA14. Lubricating the compressor might also be necessary. If your Rheem AC unit has the EcoNet Smart app, check for error codes such as code 45, which indicates capacitor failure. Costs can range from $100 to $300 for parts and labor. Regularly check for any recalls on your model of Rheem AC unit. If symptoms persist, it may indicate deeper problems like compressor failure.